Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Fluent Vibes English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Vibes English podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ali. Great to see you again, friends.
Today, we're talking about one of the most common English questions ever. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, you'll hear this question everywhere. At school, at work, in job interviews, or even when meeting new friends online.
So today, we'll show you how to answer it easily and naturally in English, even if you're a beginner.
And of course, we'll give you fun examples, short dialogues, and a few tips to sound more confident.
But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps our small English family grow.
All right, let's get started. So tell me about yourself. Easy, right? But sometimes people freeze.
Yeah, it's funny. We can talk about a lot of things, but when someone asks that question, suddenly we forget who we are.
Exactly, but don't worry. Today we'll make it super easy. We'll learn a simple structure you can use anywhere.
Let's start with this basic structure. 1. Your name. 2. Your age or where you're from. 3. Your job or what you do. 4. Your hobbies or interests. 5. A fun or personal detail.
That's it. Just 5 short parts. Easy and clear. Let's practice step by step.
Okay, first your name and where you're from. You can say, "My name is Sarah and I'm from Canada. I'm Ali and I come from Pakistan."
You can also add your city if you like. My name is Ali. I'm from Lahore, Pakistan.
Easy. And if you want to sound more natural, add a little smile or friendly tone, like, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you."
Nice. You see, simple sentences can sound friendly if you say them with confidence.
Next, talk about what you do, your job, school, or daily routine. You can say, "I'm a student. I work in a hospital. I'm an engineer. I stay at home and take care of my family."
If you're studying English, you can say, I'm learning English online. I study English because I want to travel.
Let's make a mini dialogue.
Sure, hi, I'm Ali. I'm from Pakistan. I work as a teacher.
That's great. I'm Sarah. I'm from Canada, and I'm a podcaster.
See? Short and natural.
Now you try. Say your name and what you do.
Okay, step 3. Talk about your hobbies. This is your chance to show your personality. I like reading books. I love cooking. I enjoy watching movies. In my free time, I play football.
Or if you want to sound a little more natural, when I have free time, I like to listen to music. On weekends, I enjoy spending time with my family.
Let's try another mini dialogue.
Okay, I like reading English novels.
Oh, nice. What's your favorite book?
Probably Harry Potter.
Of course.
See? It's not just grammar, it's conversation. You can connect through hobbies easily.
Now for the last step, add something personal or fun. Something small that makes you interesting. You can say, I have 2 cats. I love traveling. I'm learning how to play the guitar. I can cook amazing pasta.
These little details help people remember you. It shows your personality and makes your answer more human.
Let's try one full example using everything we learned.
Here's a full example. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I'm a podcaster and English teacher. In my free time, I love reading books and trying new food. I also have 2 cats named Luna and Milo.
That's perfect. It's short, clear, and friendly. Here's another example. Hi, I'm Ali. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a teacher, and I love helping people learn English. In my free time, I enjoy playing football and watching funny videos online.
So remember, your answer doesn't have to be long. Just speak clearly, smile, and be confident.
Time for a quick review moment.
All right, let's review what we learned today. When someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," you can use this simple 5-step structure. 1. Name. 2. Country or city. 3. Job or study. 4. Hobbies. 5. A fun detail.
Let's practice together. I'll say the steps and you repeat after me. Ready?
Step 1. Say your name. Good job.
Step 2. Say where you're from.
Step 3. Say what you do.
Step 4. Share your hobbies.
Step 5. Add a fun or personal detail.
Nice work. You just made your own "Tell me about yourself" answer.
If you want, you can write your answer in the comments below. We'll read some of them in our next episode.
Yes, write like this. Hi, my name is Dunri Kas. I'm from Damri Itanriin. I'm a blank. I like Indani. T.
It's a great way to practice and get feedback.
And that's it for today's episode of Fluent Vibes English Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to answer, "Tell me about yourself" in English.
Before you go, we have a fun question for you. If you could learn one new skill this year, what would it be? Tell us in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And remember, learning English is easy and fun when you practice a little every day.
See you next time, everyone. Bye.